Hello my dear friend, welcome back again Weekend Tech Buckets, and here good news for all WhatsApp users. So WhatsApp has recently updated his new features. Through these features we can use multiple accounts in one WhatsApp. So how we can use multiple accounts in one WhatsApp? Let's get started. Let's go. At first we have to update our WhatsApp. So we go to Play Store and my WhatsApp is already open here, and now we have to update our WhatsApp. So here we go. After update WhatsApp, you have to open WhatsApp and it will take few seconds to install. Now as you can see, WhatsApp is updated. Now we open the WhatsApp. We first open our WhatsApp. So my WhatsApp is open, and after that go to settings and click here account. So as you can see, the account mentioned here, we have to tap on that. So after that we have to click on add account. So plus sign is appear here and we have to click on that. So add account. Now you can see my first account is appear here, and under that add account already shown. So we have to tap on add account, and after that you can see the new interface are open. So here we tap agree and continue, and whatever number you use for new WhatsApp or second WhatsApp, you can simply put that your number here and you can easily enjoy your second WhatsApp. So enjoy this video and subscribe our channel if you like this video and connect it. Bye bye.